All right. I don't know when they're gonna fix the road that I'm driving on, but very right here, 499 County Road 499. They are finally working on 499. It has been closed down. This is February 19th, 2016. This thing has been shut down for over 9 months. Been asking Commissioner Phillips for help on these roads, all of these roads out here, for nearly 3 years now. And now it's an election year. Now they're out there to fix this road. Does that have anything to do with it? Of course it does. This is Smith County. I'm not saying this, you can look it up on Google, but look up the most corrupt county in Texas or in America, and it comes with Smith County, Texas. And there's got to be something to something. But $4.99, they're finally going to work on it 9 months later. There's a pothole right there. 4101 needs fixing next. I guess that's it.